Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the mermaid from Fairytopia and Dress to Impress. I have a separate Bibble tutorial. If you'll want it, just comment it and I'll link the video, because it does take a long time if I just do everything with Bibble as well. No offense Bibble, but you're very hard to make. So let me just remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. What else am I forgetting to remove? Okay. God, the necklace looks weird without the rest of the outfit. Let me just walk like a normal person. Okay, there we go. Alright, so to dress up as her, I use this hair in blonde, no adjustments made, and I also use this in blonde, no adjustments made on that. Then I use this bow in this pattern. In these adjustments, position it at y.01, z.38, and rotated it at x.17. Scaled it all the way to 0, saved the outfit in Word again, and then scaled it down all the way to 0. So just like the small setting, if you don't want to use a necklace, that's totally fine by me. Also, you do need VIP for this because we are going to use this top here. First, we're going to use this pink color, C16179, in a light silk. Then we're going to use this color. We're going to use the same color. And then we are going to then use this color, A1426B. Then we're going to select this. For the second toggle, we are going to use the lighter pink for this one. And then for the fit, we are going to go to VIP. I mean, we did just use VIP items. We're going to use this item here in this color first, in a light silk. And then in metallic, we're going to add this color. And then for the rest, we're just going to use that same color. Actually, I might do this for the lace. Okay. Doesn't really matter that much. Then we are going to get the mermaid tail. I am going to use this one. If I can just go here, okay. I usually use this one, but I'm just going to use this one. If you don't have it, you can just use the one that they have, like the one without you having to do the quest. In this color, F07896. And then that same color, and then we're going to go for this darker color. It is the 58243B, and then the same color again. Why am I lagging? Then I'm going to use this skirt here in the skirt toggle, and we're just going to color it this color in silk, 833557. And then also like the VIP skirt, like the layering skirt, in this color in silk. And then I just use this, only chains in this color, A1426B for both of the colors. And that is pretty much it. You can add more stuff to it if you would like to, but I'm going to stop here for now. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.